Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Frizzle. What are we going to do today?
Today we are going to go on a field trip around the world. In doing this, we can get a better understanding of geography. Let's go! First stop is Antarctica. Here we are kids.
Well, Miss Frizzle, this ISNT highly
Yeah,
imagined
me too.
Antarctica.
What's going
at
on?
all.
HMM, while my
This
boss isn't
IS
telling the
indeed
weather is
Isaac.
being very strange. It's so hot in Antarctica today. While my boss says that it should have been class,
cold.
this seems like a mystery. We need to solve this on our own before this gets too out of control. Next stop is Africa.
This is how I would have imagined Antarctica, but this is Africa.
I need to try to fix the bus because, for some reason, it can't calculate the weather conditions correctly. While I do this, you guys look around and try to get some answers to what's going on, okay?
I wonder what's going on.
Yeah, me too. Oh my god, what is that?
Miss Frizzle, guess what?
We saw a wizard, and we think he has something to do with the weather being strange.
He tried using his magic powers on us. We must stop him.
No, kids, this is not good. Show me where you saw him and let's stop him before it's too late.
This is where me and Arnold saw the wizard.
Okay, so where did he go? Well, kids, it's very important that we find him. If he keeps disrupting the weather, it could be very bad. When the weather is being disturbed so much, it won't react well with the natural climate. The climate is what happens when a specific weather pattern is observed long enough. Then that pattern becomes classified as the place's natural climate. This is so important because it's what plants and animals depend on to survive in their habitat. There are different climates all around the world, even microclimates, and it's important we keep them safe. There's all different types of climates, like the one here in Africa and the one in our hometown Walkerville. And many different things can affect our climate, like topography, elevation, place on a continent, and the distance from an ocean or other water source.
Guys, I found one of the wizard's hairs. We can use it to track his location with the magic school bus. Let's go.
Okay, class. I'm using my tracking powers, and it looks like the wizard is now located in Canada. I also used the bus's powers to find out the wizard's name. Is Walter the whimsical weather wizard?
Whoa, Miss Frizzle. On my phone, I just looked it up, and it says meteorologists are going crazy.
Well, they must be. They use tons of things to be accurate in their predictions, and everything they predicted is now wrong thanks to the weather wizard. To predict the weather, meteorologists observe the changing environmental conditions outside. They use a number of indicators to tell us the weather, things like satellite images, upper air data, wind profilers, weather balance, river gauges, radio sonde data, and just looking outside. Well, kids, we are getting close to Walter, the whimsical weather wizard.
Wow, Miss Frizzle, thanks for telling us all of that. We didn't know. I hope we can find him before it's too late.
Looks like he is disturbing the water patterns now, kids. Tell him why this is wrong. Maybe he will understand.
Excuse me, sir. What you're doing is wrong.
What? No, you can't tell me what to do.
Yes, it is. By disturbing the water cycle, you're putting many people, animals, and plants at risk. The natural water cycle keeps floods and
The
droughts
water
in
needs
check
to stay in constant motion.
allows for
and is
stream
essential
beds
for
to have
life.
a good flow.
You've also done a whole bunch of other horrible things, like messing up the weather patterns.
Oh man, I'm sorry, I didn't realize what I was doing was so bad. Let me try to fix this. I'm sorry.
The weather wizard fixed everything. And they all lived happily then.
Woo!